So it's a little word about the conditional normal distribution. So x and y are bivariate distributions with the bivariate normal, and so their distributions are mu1, mu2, sigma 1 square, sigma 2 square, and rho. This is all the parameters you need to describe bivariate normal distribution. Bivariate normal distribution can have a PDF also, but that's very complex. But here is the thing that we need to know about. Mu x is the expected value of y given x is equal to x is equal to mu2 plus rho sigma 2 upon sigma 1 x minus mu1. So conditional mean of the y, so conditional mean of the y, this is the conditional mean of y, this probably be called as mu y, but it is the conditional mean of y depends on the value of x. So there is an x in there in this equation. So conditional mean of y depends on x. But if we think of the conditional variance of y, that is mu square, we call it mu square y, that is the variance of y given x is equal to x, is just sigma square 2 1 minus rho square. So conditional variance of y does not depend on x. For bivariate normal distribution, the conditional distributions are normal. So for bivariate normal, the conditional distributions and marginal distributions are both normal. So there is one more thing we can get from this one, that mu x, which is the conditional mean of y, is a linear function of x. And if you think of this as a linear equation, right, y is equal to ax plus b, this little thing here, b, can be this little thing. So then this little thing becomes this thing. So this a becomes this slope. So that's the a is the slope. So mu x is a linear function of x, and its slope is given by rho sigma square upon sigma 1. The other thing is about variance. You look at this equation of variance. If the rho correlation coefficient is -1 or +1, it doesn't matter. Rho square becomes 1, which means 1 minus rho becomes 0. So it is rho square 0, sigma square 1 minus rho square. If the rho is +1 or -1, this value becomes 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So the conditional variance of y for x is equal to x becomes 0. So if we condition on x, the conditional variance is 0. So conditional distribution is very much concentrated on the mu x. तो अगर mu is close to 1, then conditional distribution is very much dependent on when rho is close to 1, then conditional distribution is very dependent on the conditional mean, in which case these things are very closely related. They will not vary. Whatever value of x is, the value of y will move in the same way for every value of x, if the row is same, and this is the mathematical explanation why that would be the case.